my baby girl hat that Micah got me a year ago. Actually, this hat is very sentimental to both of us because Micah has been calling me baby girl since we've been together. And so he got me this last year and he's like, it suits you well. I do wear it on an occasion, but today is just an example of I needed it because my hair is so nasty and needs washed ASAP. So I do apologize. Also, I'm rocking the no makeup look, which I'll get into why in a little bit. It's kind of my dumbness, so yeah, we'll get into that in a little bit. But I have a Target and a Walmart makeup haul for you guys. I haven't done a makeup haul in literally the longest time, and we had some money left over this month, and Micah told me to treat myself a little bit because I was running out of a lot of things. I also had some money, well, credits I should say, on DoorDash. You guys will see it in an upcoming vlog where they kind of messed up on one of our orders, and we ended up getting credits, and so Micah told me just to buy makeup with it. And so I only spent like $1 and some, or no, not even that. I forget what I tipped the driver. I gave her a tip or something. I did pay something because I saw the charge. But anyways, that's besides the point. So the reason why I don't have makeup is because, funny story, we left the Walmart bag in our, well, my mother-in-law's, aka Micah's mom's car, and so I felt really bad because she was busy. She's always busy on Saturdays, so I was really anxious to get this bag for you guys, but I also wanted to wait until she was done. So she was finally done everything and she was able to drop it off, which I'm really thankful for because I couldn't wait. But it's already 4 our time and I don't really feel like putting on makeup today because it's already so late and it's really hot today. So I apologize because I was going to do a tutorial on this new palette, but I'll do it tomorrow. I'll swatch some of the colors for you guys in this video. So again, all of our disclaimers and our links are in the description. Also follow all of our Instagrams, which is also linked in the Linktree link in our bio or in our description. All you gotta do is click that link and it'll show all the websites we have. So I'll start off with Target first, or Target, whatever you call it. So the first thing I got is this Wet n Wild Break Up Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So I actually didn't want this one. She grabbed the wrong one, but I just decided to keep it because I always run out of liquid eyeliners. I wanted the retractable, it doesn't want to open for me. Usually, oh, there we go. The retractable one that's like a crown, and she ended up getting this one, which I didn't mind. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It's in Ultra Black. So I love this eyeliner from the drugstore. I really think it works amazing. I honestly love Wet n Wild in general, but I really love this eyeliner. I think it does amazing, and sorry about the lighting. Hey babe. Sorry guys, I had Micah fix the lighting for me because the sun is going in and out. So I'll show you guys the swatch again. And like I was saying, the drugstore eyeliner for me, this liquid eyeliner, is my go-to. I don't know how long they've had this one because I remember they used to have another one, but this has been my go-to. Like, I've tried it twice already. This is my third one. And I love it so much. It makes like the perfect wing line and it just glides on so perfectly. So, Wet n Wild, you rock for this. Like, it's definitely my go-to. Okay, next up is this NYX HD Concealer in Alabaster. So they didn't have, I'm pretty sure it's Alabaster. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is what it looks like. So they didn't have the ivory one that I wanted, which is my go-to shade for concealer and foundation. So she ended up picking this one because it looked closest to my skin tone to me. But now that I've had it against my skin tone, it's more of a, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'll swatch it for you guys. See, it kind of has like a little bit of a pinkish undertone, which I'm not complaining. I don't know how well, I mean, it blends out good. But see, it actually has more of a yellow undertone, actually. But, I mean, it'll still work. I just need a concealer to go under my foundation. And I got the right color in foundation, just not in concealer. But I loved the NYX HD green concealer, so I had to try this one. So I'm really excited about that. Next up, I got this new lipstick from L'Oreal. At least it's new for me. It's called the Glow Paradise lipstick in Mulberry Bliss 200. So I actually wanted more of the peachy pink color, but I guess they didn't have it. And so this was the next like substitution. Whenever you buy from DoorDash, they do like substitutions, or if you do like Walmart groceries, they do like substitution for things. If they don't have like one thing, then they pick something closest in price for you. So this was the other substitution. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I mean, I don't mind it. It's really pretty and settled. It looks really dark in the tube, but it's actually very settled. So I actually like that a lot. I just didn't want a dark lipstick for summer. I've done looks with dark lips in the summer, but I typically, when I wear makeup on a daily or if I'm going just to the grocery store, I just like to have like something that's like a pinkish nude or like a nude or a peachy nude or something light like this. I don't really like something, if it's really dark as the tube, I don't really like wearing those in the summer. I just never did. But look how cute this packaging is. Like, L'Oreal has stepped up their packaging for their lipsticks. Like, it actually looks like, you know, something you would get at Sephora for like $50 or $30. Like, I love that. Okay, next up is a Wet n Wild blush. So this blush I've heard a lot about when I used to watch a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube, was the Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink blush. So it's basically a blush that has it's a pink blush with peach sparkles. And I've watched a couple beauty gurus who raved about this blush. I even heard it's a dupe for like one of the MAC Cosmetics blushes. I'm not too for sure which one. But I was so stoked to find that this was in stock, because usually I can never find this anywheres. So you guys probably can't see it, but it has some peach undertones to it, or like peach sparkles. But it's like a really nice pink. So obviously you could build it up, but here's the swatch. That's a very nice pink. And it also has like the peach sparkles. Honestly, I love blush. And I love contouring my face now, so I really wanted to get this when I saw it in stock. I've been searching for this for a while since I've been watching YouTube, and I just couldn't find it, and I finally found it, and it's an amazing blush. Like, look at that swatch. Okay, last but not least, from Target, I got this Makeup Revolution highlight in Make an Impact. So I've heard a lot of good things about Makeup Revolution, and I really wanted to try this. I personally have never tried Makeup Revolution. Sorry, I needed a drink. I was about to cough. I've heard about Makeup Revolution, but I've never picked it up for myself. And I'm so glad I picked up this highlight. Look at how gorgeous this highlight is. So it's called Make an Impact. And oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that. Let's build it up a little bit more. That is so pretty. It's such a like a golden, like a rose gold highlight. I love it. Like, I'm so excited to use this. Especially for summertime. I feel like these kind of highlights for summertime, especially if you're using contour, you could definitely fake that like tan glow with this. Like, that is so gorgeous. Like, I just can't. Okay, so Walmart. So, the first thing I got was my makeup remover, and I got this in the huge size because I'm always using this stuff. This is my favorite makeup remover, guys. I cannot tell you how amazing this stuff is. I used to use the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and no offense to them, I still like them here and there, but this is so much easier to get your makeup off, and it hydrates my skin, which is amazing, and it just makes my skin feel so good. And it says that it's an all-in-one. It removes makeup, cleanses, and soothes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, eyes, all sensitive types, all skin types, even sensitive skin. I cannot tell you how amazing this makes my skin feel after taking off my makeup. It is something that I love using, and I use it all the time. So I'm definitely glad that I spent the $12 and got the big size, because I go out of that so fast when it's just a little bottle, and that should last me 2 or 3 months, because a little goes a long way. Okay, so I'm not going to open both of these mascaras. So I'll open this one, but I'm not going to swatch it. I'll just show you how the brush looks. So, or I'm not going to actually open these. And the reason why is because I want to take pictures of these for Instagram, and there's no point of swatching mascara. So I found this new Maybelline mascara called the Falsies Surreal. So it's an extensions mascara. And it makes your lashes longer. It has an extended helix brush. And I got it in brownish black. I wanted blackish black, but I guess I wasn't paying attention. Look how cool that packaging is. Maybelline, I freaking love you. They need to sponsor me already, because I love Maybelline. Come on, Maybelline, sponsor your girl. The next one is another Maybelline mascara. So this is just one of their Great Lash mascaras. I'm obsessed with their Great Lash line. I used to use this all the time when it first came out. Like, this was my go-to mascara. This was like my holy grail mascara. So I got this one in Very Black. See, I wanted to get this one in Very Black too, but I was just so happy that I saw the setup. I was like, I need to just grab it and run. Next up, I got some eye gems, or face gems, for makeup. So there's these ones. Obviously, I'm not going to do it the way they did it. I'm just going to put them on how I want and come up with different looks. So Mika asked the lady at Walmart if, like, oh, and these are by Wet n Wild, by the way. Mika asked the lady at Walmart if, like, I can reuse these, and she said that her daughter actually just uses eyelash glue to re-glue them, and they work perfectly. So I got both sets, though, because I couldn't choose one or the other, so I'm really excited about these. I could come up with different looks for you guys, and I love that. Okay, next up, so here's that same, yeah, it's the same eyeliner. I'm not going to swatch it. It's, like I said, the girl got the wrong one, but I was totally okay with it. Never wrong to have extras. So the next thing I got was some lash glue because I was out. This is my favorite lash glue in clear, and it's so inexpensive. This is like $3.47 at Walmart, and it lasts me the whole month. And then I also got my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, Dewy to Smooth, and it's in Fair Ivory, so this is my actual shade. So yeah, I'm not going to swatch it because you guys know how foundation already is, so. Last but not least, so this was actually a splurge of the moment. So everything else back there was things that I needed or ran out of. This, well, besides the blush and the highlight and the lipstick, they were just like, I guess, what did I say? Plunge of the moment. I had a brain fart. Anyways, those 4 items were just moments of weakness because they were something new that I haven't tried, haven't seen. And I was like, you know what? I saw this Profusion palette. So you guys know I already have a Profusion palette. But this one's called Dreamscape. And look at these shadows, guys. Like, I'm literally obsessed. So, I'm going to swatch one shadow from each row. I'll do like a dark, light, and then a medium color. I am so excited about this. I'm so excited. So I'm going to take out the brush. Oh, the brush feels like good quality. I'm going to try this brush for you guys. For if you guys decide to buy a palette. So these are at Walmart. And I believe this was $10. And look how amazing this is. I don't remember the prices of anything else, or I would have told you guys it, but I remember this exactly, because literally $10.98 for all of these shadows, and look how gorgeous they are. So this is called the Dreamscape palette. So I'm going to, okay, the top row, I'm going to do Vision, because this looks like such a pretty champagne color. Look at that. You could probably use that as a freaking highlight. Look how gorgeous. Oh my god, that is so stunning. I can't. So Vision was right here. Like, look how pretty that shade is. I just can't. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to do Cloud 9 because I've been wanting a blue like that for so long. So that's going to be our medium color. So that looks, oh, that's so amazing. So obviously these shadows do need to be built up a little bit. They do have pigment. Don't get me wrong. They do have pigment. But they need to be built up, or you need to put like a base under them to really make them stand out. Then we'll swatch, I want to swatch this one, Tranquility. This looks like a pretty purple color. So let's do, Infernity looks like a black. Yeah, let's do Tranquility. Ooh, look at that. That is a gorgeous purple. You guys, I am obsessed with that champagne color though. These are gorgeous shadows, guys. Like, I just can't. Look at these. Like, when I saw this palette, I stood there for a minute and I'm like, can I really do this? Can I really get this? Do I have enough for this? I was in love with this palette. Let's swatch Hypnotic. It's bugging me. It's this one right here. It's really bugging me. And look. Did you see that, guys? Let's do another one. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. See what I mean? These shadows have really good pigment, but they do need built up. Perfusion, you guys do amazing palettes. I'm obsessed. I need to do Earthful now. Or no, let's do Fantasy. Let's see Fantasy. Oh, guys. I'm going to do Earthful too. Oh my goodness, look. I know I said I was only going to do 3 shades, but I cannot help myself. Look at those. Oh, okay. I can't, guys. So that was my haul from Walmart and Target. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I am so grateful that I was able to get some stuff to, you know, be able to continue doing my tutorials, you know, try out this palette for you guys and stuff like that. If you guys want more makeup and beauty hauls, then like this video and subscribe. Help us out. Help us get to like 500 subscribers. It would be the world to us. And also go follow us on TikTok because I'm also posting tutorials there. And follow our Instagrams and all of our other social medias, which is linked in the Linktree link in our description. So until next time, guys, we love you. And me and Micah is also making a snack video today, so I need to go get ready for that. So we love you guys. Peace, and see you in our next video. Bye.